There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical level. These are clearly state-of-the-art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand. We were hoping that you could shed some light on those.
She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with a built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream.
With all due respect, those aren't the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
Hey guys, it's me, Diamond Bonbon, and I'm going to play Final Fantasy Sister location. He said Mr. Afton. You can hear me, so... Hey guys, it's me, Diamond Bonbon. This guy said Mr. Afton. Okay. Okay guys. Sister location, or Torntain. Annie.
Daddy, why won't you let me play with her?
What? I think it's a little girl. Yeah. Who? Who? What?
Welcome to
Who
the
is
first
it?
day of your exciting new career. Whether you were approached at a job fair, read our ad in screws, bolts, and hairpins, or if this is the result of a dare, we welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit. Your new career promises challenge, intrigue, and endless janitorial opportunities. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
Baby. Because he dispensed her ice cream. She dispensed ice cream. Oh. We're so confused. Yeah. Funtime Foxy is not a male or a female. This is weird. I think he's the both of them. Or okay. Hey. Let's type another name. So like, let's type I don't know. This is type Mike. Okay. Like it's so glitchy and laggy. I can't do anything. Oh my god. I think he wrote K. So let's type it E. What? Okay, Mike. Let's press enter.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
Oh my god, Eggs Benedict. What? I think this is Mr. Afton. It's a 6 letters. M-R, it's Mr. Who's Mr. Afton? I think William Afton. Or, yes, Mike. Mr. Afton, William Afton, Mike, I don't know. This game is confusing me. Yay! Night 1! I am... Oh my god. I'm spinning my head like crazy.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work.
He said light, red, and obvious, but look, if I look down, it's regular, but when I look up, what is these particles? I think this is smoke or cloud or something.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter.
Why?
Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control module. It's actually a crawl space between the two front showrooms. Now, let's get started with your daily tasks. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery party room and dance studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left.
There's no blue.
Access denied.
Who is this? The stage is empty. Where's Ballora?
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
He said the red button? Yes. He said a controlled shock, so this is a shock. Oh! I'm shocked. No, it's Ballora.
Let's check the light again.
I'm just joking. Ballora, hello? Oh! Ballora! Hi, Ballora! And this
Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
This clock is so creepy. I'm so scared. And why there's a head of an animatronic here? It's a mouse. Okay, whatever. Oh my god, it's a duck. I just pressed the nose. Okay, let's press the other nose. Face. This nose doesn't do it. How about that? Cool. This one. Oh my god. So light.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off.
How
Let's
do
motivate
you
Funtime Foxy
press
with a controlled
clock?
shock.
A nose for a clock. The clock's nose. This is creepy. I said.
Access denied.
Shut up! I can see rainbow in my way. This is creepy. Someone is watching us. I think Hand Unit is the one that's watching us with this camera. Hell. I didn't. Is this a TV? This is a broken TV. Do you think?
Let's try another controlled shock.
Why didn't Funtime Foxy appear? Funtime Foxy is a bad person. Why? He wants to control shock.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
So let's go.
Let me play.
Just crawling into them.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
So I think this game is the creepiest game ever and the coolest game ever.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to.
I think she's up to make us some ice cream.
This boy is like the one boy.
Yeah. I think she's up
For
to
some
make
reason.
some. I think she's up to make some ice cream because in the intro he said she can dispense ice cream. So I think she's planning to make some ice cream.
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
You control Chuck. Do you cheer up?
Let's try another controlled shock.
Cheer up, baby, again! So, do you cheer up again?
Let's try another controlled shock.
Cheer up, baby! I'm gonna control shock her. Whatever. Cheer up! You cheer up? Baby, please. You cheer up? What? She's not there!
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed, otherwise you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, this puppet or balloon boy puppet or whatever. And this thing, this creepy thing, let's go.
And poster. Bye.
The posters are not talking. Let's scroll. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Circus gallery vent.
Oh, someone is going to get me. He is angry. What? We're going home? Why? This is incredible.
Another day, another dramatic entry in the lives of Vlad and his distressed mistress. Where will they go? What will they do? All of that and more happening now.
Clara, I tell you, the baby isn't mine.
Count, I tell you that it is. You're the only vampire I've ever loved. And the baby turns his bottles into powdered milk.
That doesn't mean anything.
He sleeps on the ceiling fan.
Upright or upside down?
What does it matter? You need to be part of your son's life.
I'm an old man, Clara. I can't be a father.
Well, then at least pay your child support, you deadbeat.
Will Vlad and his distressed mistress find common ground? Tune in next time.
This is cool. Okay, guys, that was all for pretty much a video. I think we finished night 1. So bye-bye.
Daddy.